This is a 2022 Kubota L2501F. It's a weird one. It's got two-wheel drive, not four-wheel drive on this one. We don't sell these new a lot of the times. This one came from Kubota Credit, and it's a cool tractor because it's two-wheel drive. When they're two-wheel drive, they also don't have hydrostatic transmission, so it's a manual transmission. It's a base tractor with a loader. If you're looking for a tractor with a loader that will do simple projects and don't need four-wheel drive, this might be for you.
Base tractor, but without base warranty. It has warranty until February 2030. So 4 more years warranty left on this.
It only has 70 hours.
And still has quick attach buckets.
Yep, skid steer buckets, unlike the John Deere friends across the street. This has a skid steer quick attach bucket.
Weld-on chain hook.
A lot of people talk about wanting to have the good old-fashioned tractor again. This is the good old-fashioned tractor.
Two-wheel drive tractor.
No frills.
No frills on this one. But it's low hours. It may not look like 70 hours, but because it might have been parked outside in the elements. But it's a straight tractor, two-wheel drive. Like Willie said, if you're looking for a simple tractor, no frills, this is it. Tractor. This is it.
This would be our second best value price tractor we have right now at $14,900.
It's on SkoltonEquipment.com.